In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable Generative AI. Whether you're new to Airtable or just new to its AI feature, this guide will help you get up and running smoothly. So let's start with the basics and walk you through the entire process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Airtable's website. You can easily find it by searching for Airtable in your favorite web browser or by directly typing airtable.com into the address bar. Once you reach the homepage, the next step is to locate and click on the Sign In button. This will usually be found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will take you to the login page, where you can access your existing Airtable account. Now, if you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to sign in. Enter your email and password carefully to ensure you can continue without any hitches. Once signed in, you will be prompted to click on the Continue button. This verifies that your login details are correct and takes you to your Airtable workspace. When you're back at the main interface, focus on navigating through the features that Airtable offers. Look for the option that says Start with AI. This feature can typically be found on the main dashboard or homepage of your Airtable account. Clicking on it will introduce you to the AI capabilities that Airtable provides, and you'll be ready to initiate your generative AI journey. Now it's time to explore some creative avenues. You'll be presented with different options for generating AI content. The choice here is flexible. You can choose from preset options that Airtable offers, or if you're feeling adventurous, generate something entirely new by writing a few descriptive sentences of your own. This flexibility allows you to tailor the AI output to fit your specific needs and the project at hand. Once you've made your choice, the next step is to click on Next. Proceeding here allows the tool to process your input and start generating content based on the information you provided. This process is quite intuitive, and Airtable AI is designed to assist you by providing suggestions and creative insights that might surprise you. As you go through these steps, take your time to explore the functionality and consider experimenting with different inputs to see how the AI adapts to your ideas. This experimentation can lead to innovative solutions and insights that you might not have considered otherwise. That's it. You've now completed a basic walkthrough of using Airtable Generative AI. Don't hesitate to dive deeper, explore more options, and leverage this powerful tool to enhance your projects. Thanks for watching, and feel free to return for more tutorials and insights on harnessing technology to its fullest potential.